Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start abstract noun and material noun. Yes, you can see there abstract noun and material noun. So we'll deal with two kinds of nouns today. Abstract noun and material noun. There is no need to introduce these two topics, as you already know that what is abstract noun and what is material noun. For confirmation, we will take only a few examples from both abstract noun and material noun. Okay, abstract noun is something that we can feel and something that sometimes we cannot see, neither we can touch it. So suppose hope, wisdom, charity, kindness, honesty, ability, and many more. Okay, as far as if we take example from material noun, and material noun is not collection. Do remember that material noun is not collection of anything. Material noun is something through which we get material. Okay, material would be a sort of material noun through which we can get material. Like sugar is a material noun, sugar. So through sugar we can make so many dishes, this is a material through which we can make so many other things like flour, atta. So this is also a sort of material. And then we have got iron is a sort of material. And then we have got water and many more, etc. So we'll do what now. These are given examples of material noun, and there will be many more we would write here, etc. And then these are the examples of abstract noun. Okay, so as far as these two nouns are concerned, they would most of the usages of these two nouns are the same. Okay, same as far as these same usages are concerned. We will study these two kinds all together, and together we'll be making the uses of these both. Okay, the very first use is I'm going to write here. The very first use is avoid using article. Avoid using article. We are not supposed to use articles with material noun and abstract noun. Okay, do remember that we are not we are not allowed to use articles. Article, whether it is a, an, or the, and we are not going to use these three articles. And these are the the total number of articles is 3. There are two kinds of article, definite and indefinite, and then we are not going to use any of these three. So now as far as the sentences are concerned, बेटा सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एग्जाम्पल्स लेंगे. Honesty अगर हम लेते हैं, honesty is best policy. Honesty is the best. Honesty is the best policy. Okay, so here honesty is what? Abstract noun, and with abstract noun we are not going to use any sort of article. Here हम आर्टिकल अ का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते. ऑनेस्टी इज़ द बेस्ट पॉलिसी, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. द ऑनेस्टी इज़ द बेस्ट पॉलिसी इज़ that is wrong too. And then if we use an honesty is best policy, and that will be considered as wrong as well. So what these nouns like charity, charity is something, charity is second name of generosity. So charity is what? Second name of generosity is the second name of so charity is second name of generosity. Okay, so charity is an abstract noun. So charity के साथ हम का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे, द का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे, आर्टिकल का इस्तेमाल. एंड जेनरोसिटी generosity is also an abstract noun and हम इनके साथ भी द का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे. Here we have used charity is the second name of generosity. हमने ये यूज़ नहीं किया कि द charity is the second name of the generosity. हम नहीं यूज़ कर सकते. या फिर हम कहेंगे a charity is the second name of a generosity. So हम दोनों यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. So this is wrong. Wrong हो जाएगा. Now this sentence is correct. Charity is the second name of generosity. So there is what honesty is the best policy, and then these are something what honesty is एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, चैरिटी इज़ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. एंड अगर आप अगर एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं आयरन, सो आप कहें आयरन इज़ एक्सपेंसिव, आयरन इज़ एक्सपेंसिव. हेयर वी हैव यूज्ड आयरन, सो हम नहीं कहेंगे एन आयरन इज़ एक्सपेंसिव. हम नहीं यूज़ कर सकते क्योंकि वी आर अवॉइड वी आर forbidden. We are forbidden to use what article with these sort of nouns. Avoid using article a, in, the. So the very first use is what we are supposed to avoid them. We cannot use articles with abstract nouns as well as material nouns. So we here an iron is expensive. The sentence would be correct. So sentence would be considered incorrect. That is wrong. सो हेयर आयरन इज़ एक्सपेंसिव होगा. द आयरन हमें द आयरन का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते. लाइक एन आयरन का इस्तेमाल हम नहीं करेंगे. एंड देन सिमिलरली अगर हम कहें कि हेयर वी हैव गॉट लाइक वुड भी आपका एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मटेरियल नाउन है, तो आप यूज़ करें दिस चेयर इज़ मेड ऑफ वुड. सो वुड भी आपका मटेरियल नाउन है. आप उनके साथ भी हमने वुड यहाँ पर एक यूज़ किया है, लेकिन इनके साथ हम द वुड नहीं लगा रहे. अब वुड नहीं लगा रहे क्योंकि वी आर नॉट सपोज टू यूज़ articles with these two nouns like abstract noun and material noun. Abstract noun and material noun के साथ आप articles का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. This is what supposed to avoid using article. So whenever you are bound to use what article, and then avoid using article. And then there is the chair is okay. This chair बेटा हमने already पढ़ा है कि chair is a noun that is चेयर इज़ ए नाउन दैट इज़ कॉमन नाउन, कॉमन सिंगुलर नाउन, जिसके साथ हमने दिस का इस्तेमाल किया है. तो बेटा आपको याद होगा, आई होप आपको याद होगा कि दिस क्या है, डिटर्मिनर है, जो कि हम साथ साथ पढ़ते चलेंगे सारी चीज़ें कि दिस डिटर्मिनर है, तो डिटर्मिनर का हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट. एंड देन वुड क्या है आपका मटेरियल नाउन है, जिसके साथ हमने ना द का इस्तेमाल किया है, ना एन का इस्तेमाल किया है, ना ही किसी हमने आर्टिकल का इस्तेमाल किया. हम आर्टिकल का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते. सो बेटा याद रखिएगा, जब भी आपको एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स मिलते हैं, मटेरियल नाउन्स मिलते हैं, तो उनके साथ आप आर्टिकल्स का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते.